Well, I'm sort of afraid I did it again. The place where last week's big box of steel rule dies, they had punches. And I did get a few punches the day I got the steel rule dies. But I decided I needed to go back and get some more of the punches. I really wanted them. I do use my punches a fair amount, not a lot, but a fair amount. So I thought I'd show you what I got and give you an idea of why I picked them up. This, I don't know what this is called, but it's a label of some sort. But I didn't get it so much to use it as a label, although it will work really nice as a label. Or a book plate or something like that. I thought it would make a really cute tab to go on the side of a page or the top of a page. I got that one for that reason. I got this one for that reason. This is just another label. And it could be folded that way or this way. I was thinking of folding it this way. But there again, that makes another really cute tab kind of thing on the side of a page. I got this one for the same purpose. This is called a curly label. And I want a couple of those because I want to show you. I think it's going to work. We'll see. But see, this one would make a really cute tab as well. So it could either be put on like that, or it could be cut in half and put on this way. So these would make really cute tabs, and that's why I got those. It just seemed like they would be so much cuter than just my cut and straight ones, and I just thought it would be fun. But then there was this. This is a Petite curly label. And it might help if I had something else to pop it out of, but we'll see if it'll show up for you. It's not but about 3/4 of an inch. And my thought on it is that it would sit inside this other label and be a real cute little framed kind of thing. So I really thought that having both of them, I probably wouldn't have gotten the little tiny one had I not gotten the bigger one. The other thing is you could make 2 of these tiny ones, and that would be a cute label or tab. So I figured they all would work like tabs, that kind of thing, and I thought it would be a lot of fun. This one, this is some kind of an ornament, and it came with this set of stamps, because you stamp and then you cut out the stamp. Well, I also thought that it might make a fun label. Not label, but tab. Just by folding it in half. There again, see, just cute little tab. Just something a little bit different. That was on my mind. Then, of course, there was some more flowers, and I did get a few flowers that I didn't already have. I use flower punches a lot, so I got several different flower punches. Now these were all on consignment, so they're all used, and they're different sizes. A lot of them came from Stampin' Up. And these, I love this kind of a little punch to put around okay, give me just a minute and I'll think it up yet. Around a eyelet. I'll show you what you have to do an eyelet. Once you punch your eyelet hole, okay, so you would punch the hole, and I just used my crocodile to do that little tiny hole because that's the size eyelet I'd be putting in. So I would punch that out of, say, some cardstock or painty paper, and then I would come back with this one, just a minute, and cut myself a little ring to put around the eyelet before I set the eyelet in. And that makes a really cute little additional decoration. And they had this one. And this is just a bigger circle. So it would just make a plain circle around that kind of an eyelet hole. And then this one is just a little flower that has 4 little petals. So these, while they can be used on their own, that's what I had in my mind when I picked them up, was to use them around eyelets. And I have lots of eyelets, and I don't use them very often, and I want to start using them more. So now there's 2 of these, and they were in a bag together with this last one. And this is a flower, and I might have skipped getting it, except I really wanted this one. This one's a little heart, and I don't use hearts as much, but it's really cute little heart. So it won't hurt to have it. I have some other heart punches that are different sizes. But then this was a cute little sort of shamrock kind of flower. Come on, come out of there. Which is real pretty little flower, and it will be real pretty out of different things. But this one is a miniature postage stamp. It's an itty bitty tiny postage stamp, and I just kind of wanted to have that one. I think that's so cute, and I've been wanting to make some faux stamps, so that one will be a lot of fun to work with. I think it will be used quite a bit. All right, let's see here. Then this is a ticket punch, and I have a ticket punch that's actually, I think will punch tickets for a larger heavier chipboard. But this one has a second tiny ticket in it, which I just love, this itty bitty little tiny ticket. So, and I have some little tiny itty bitty words that I use here on labels and things, and I thought it'd be really cute on the ticket too. So I picked that one up. And like I said, a good deal of these came from a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So, okay, let's see here. Then I got some edge punches, and I don't use my edge punches enough, but I really do like them. So, I got this one because it is a postage stamp, and it is very nice. And let's see here. I have to look at how it goes on there. It's definitely a nice postage stamp, so I really liked that one. I think I'll use that a fair amount too. This one, I have one that is similar but not the same. This one actually cuts out the whole edge. There's no flat edge on this. It's like having lace. Just 1 second. You have to line them up. It takes a bit to line them up. So the one I have is similar, but it has a flat edge on it. So this one is, I think this will be real usable. I really liked it. Then the last one is this one. And again, it's a punch that makes sort of a lace design. It doesn't have a flat edge. Okay. Huh. Okay. Either I didn't push it right or this punch needs some TLC, which it might need a little sharpening, and that's what it looks like. A punch like this, when it doesn't work real well, I usually try aluminum foil and wax paper first. Somebody told me the other day, actually it was Mariah from P&M Artist Studio, to use some kind of oil on it, even like vegetable oil on it. But I will try my, because I don't like the idea of getting vegetable oil down inside of this. As complicated as it is, I will probably try my aluminum foil trick first before I try the other. But first, I'm going to have to sit here and get this out of there. I am going to go and play with this a little bit, clean up the mess I made, and I hope you guys go, have some fun, make some art, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.